Roofing quick tip of the day. If you're in the market to get a roof estimate, it's important that your roof installers know how to install a roof and follow manufacturer's recommendations, installation instructions, not just have a salesman that knows how to sell you a roof. I'm here giving an estimate on this roof. I always like to set up ladders, get an idea on layer count, and I happen to notice when looking up here, I noticed this isn't sticking down. If you look under here, the starter has no seal on it. But if you look up under there, the starter is actually upside down. The seal strip is up high. This is a top seal shingle, so there's no seal strip. It's never going to seal down anywhere on the roof. Further, for that matter, this looks to be a Tanco shingle. You can tell that really easy because none of the shingles want to ever seal down. You can also see right here, you can see the top seal strip right there. Also, while we're here looking at this, trying to get a layer count, you see that the decking is completely exposed. There's no vapor barrier, no ice and water, nothing. There's nails sticking up here too. I'm kind of shocked with this. None of the bottom rows are sticking anywhere. The fact that the seal strips just honestly really are not good. But like I said, just quick tip of the day. If you're in the roofing industry or you're looking at getting a roof from somebody in the industry, make sure they know how to actually install the shingle, follow manufacturer's recommendations, and their estimate is descriptive. If it's not descriptive, you may not get it, and you don't have any grounds to stand on to go after them. So, see a lot of people say new roof. Well, they get a new roof. It's a new roof over. They cut corners. Anyway, really short, 1.5 minute long video. I hope this helps somebody out there. Someone looking at getting a roof. Look through, vet your contractor. Salesmen are great at selling a roof, but they sub it out, I don't know, I can't say that. Maybe they sub it to people they have good relations with and know how to install it, but I see a lot of crap installed wrong around here. If the video helped, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. Until next time, as always, be safe, and we'll see you then.